Yes, printer ink expires, and that date stamped on the box matters more than most people think. 60 seconds. Here's what you need to know. Sealed in the package, most inkjet cartridges are good for about 2 years from the manufacture date. Toner lasts 3 years or longer, because toner is a dry powder, not a liquid. Once you install a cartridge, the clock speeds up. Figure 6 months to a year sitting in the printer before the ink starts to thicken and clog the nozzles. Now, that expiration date is not a hard shutoff. It is the date the manufacturer stops guaranteeing print quality. An expired cartridge usually still prints. It just may streak or shift color on you. Store your spares upright, sealed in the original bag, at room temperature, out of direct sun. A garage in August will cook them. Here's the one that gets everybody. Some HP and Epson printers read the date off the chip and refuse an expired cartridge outright. If yours does, look for a warranty date override in the printer's settings menu. More printer fixes at Castle Ink.